I'm coming to you today from a Chick-fil-A in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I hope you'll join me this Friday on Mr. Jack's journey as we go to Mount Rushmore. So awe-inspiring. Let me briefly share a little adventure that Sherry and I experienced this weekend as we got caught in a snowstorm in Louisville, Kentucky. Just a quick update on winter camping, I guess. When were you supposed to be camping? You know, traveling in an RV is not always fun. I enjoy the travel, but here we are stranded in Louisville, Kentucky here on January the 6th or 7th, 8th or 9th. I'm not sure what it is. We're supposed to be in Ohio, but snow hit us. So what I'm doing right now is filling my water tank. I don't know if you can see that line across there. I'm just going to put maybe a little bit more water in there. I think this is about an 80-gallon tank. And you can see here we've got hooked up to power. And I'm not going to leave the water line hooked up because it would just freeze. So it's not always just fun, but don't get me wrong, I enjoy it. This is not what we bargained for. We were supposed to be in Ohio around noon today, but here it is 5 o'clock, 5:30, and we are not there. We're hoping it'll clear up and the road will be clear tomorrow and we can head out to Ohio. When were you supposed to be camping? We're supposed to stay at our sister's house. Let me tell you some of the things I've learned about camping in the cold. These RVs cost, when you buy them retail, $600 to $1,000 a square foot. You can build a house for $200 a square foot. The house will appreciate. These things don't. They depreciate. You buy them for whatever your purpose. I know what my reasoning is. But be very, very prepared. The furnaces don't keep up in, sub 10 degree weather. So we've got furnace running, we have heater running, and that's finally doing the trick, keeping it up to about 67. But last night it was really below freezing. We just had the furnace going. It went non-stop. Temperature inside when we got it this morning was 48 degrees. So when we slept well, we've got really good insulated blankets. The mattress in this thing is awesome. It's very good. So what have I learned? Be really prepared. Have an extra heater. To get comfortable this morning, I turned the fireplace on, turned the furnace on, and we finally got up to about 67 degrees, which is tolerable. The jacks froze to the ground. I had to get out with a hammer and beat the hydraulic jacks to loosen them up. Other than that, everything worked. It's just be prepared, and I am so thankful to my wife. She was a real trooper. This is not her thing, but she did it. Okay, baby, ready to hit the road.
Jack, stop it. I know I'm no fun.
Okay, baby, let's roll.
I didn't know you had the engine on.
Yeah, nothing. The slides won't work. And the jacks won't retract. It's all based on the engine and the emergency brake, parking brake all has to be on.
No, speed bump.
Yeah.
Do you know which way you're going?
Well, to get out of here this way.
Why is that red light on the dash?
It's not.
Oh.
It just looks, that's a dead end going that way.
I mean, do you know where we're going
Yeah,
to go home? You
As
have
soon as we pass this bridge, I'll put on the GPS. Just want to get some of this snow-covered road.
So till I see you, tell your mom and them I said hey, and stay warm if you're gonna camp in the cold.